Today we've taken a trip to the historic Saint Martin on Ile de Ré in France. This island is linked to the mainland by the Ile de Ré bridge, so you can get here easily by bus. I'll give you all the details you need at the end of this video, but for now, let's take a tour of the main sites of Saint Martin. The bus drops you at the Cognac J bus stop, where you can head into town along this pleasant walking route through fortifications. Here you can begin to see the extensive fortifications of the town, left over from many conflicts in the past. We head down towards the sea and the extensive citadel. From 1873 it has served as a prison and remains so today with more than 400 detainees. You can walk around the sea fortifications, but inside its walls are not open to the public for obvious reasons. So, after checking out the fortifications, we headed along the seafront and past the lighthouse at the entrance to the harbour. It certainly impresses too, with its extensive walled fortifications. It's the heart of the town, where you can find plenty of cafes and shops where you can find a souvenir. A significant building not to be missed is the Church of Saint Martin. Built in the 17th century, it offers you the chance to climb the bell tower for great views for just €2. We didn't have time to do this though, but the building still impresses inside and out. It was time for us to make our way back to the bus stop. This is an easy day trip from La Rochelle. Although it's around 23 kilometres, the bus takes about an hour to make the journey. The buses are modern and clean, and you can pay on board in euros or by credit card or Apple Pay. The route is number 3, and timetables are available online or at their tourist office in La Rochelle. I hope you enjoyed seeing St Martin, and thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up as it really helps this channel. That's it for today though. See ya!